Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making the application and adding a bot user in the developer portal. Once done, enable the specific gateway intents you need, like server members or message content, because the API won't send that data otherwise. Next, copy the bot token and place it into an environment variable such as Discord token. Never paste it into public code. Now create an OAuth 2 invite link with bot scope and the precise permissions your bot needs so you can add it to a server. You now build the bot's core. Pick a library like Discord, JS or Discord, Pi for faster work, or a low-level REST approach if you prefer. Then initialize a client with the same intents you enabled, mismatch blocks events. Use environment variables for secrets and request the minimal permissions in your invite link so the bot follows principle of least privilege. Implement key handlers, ready, message, or interaction events, and log status. Do small tests after each handler to isolate issues quickly. You finish by running the bot locally to validate basic commands, then deploy to a reliable host, a VPS, Docker container, or serverless platform with a persistent connection. Make sure auto-restart and logging are configured to keep it online. After deployment, invite the bot and test every command and interaction. If something fails, check the usual suspects: correct token, matching gateway intents, and required permissions. As a troubleshooting tip, regenerate the token only if you suspect it was leaked.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.